Anyway, move over to the next one. This is our only Tesla story of the day. It's an interesting one, something I didn't think about. Tesla has the retractable door handles. And I've heard
X and the S.
You hear mixed things about them. Yeah, X and S. You hear mixed things about it. I haven't had any problems with mine, but some people have had problems with them in the past. It's an item where you're not sure you want it to be motorized because you use it all the time. And
traps your hand in there.
Just any type of malfunction with it. It's just a critical feature on a car, the handle. But in this case, you're going to be really happy you have that feature because this is some road rage going on. And there's a video clip, which you can play. If you scroll down. The guy jumps out of the car because he's raging, and he attempts to open the car door of the Tesla driver to beat him up or whatever, yell at him. Or, I mean, who knows? Nobody knows. And then the guy just drives away because he approaches, and he can't get the handle open. He hits the window first. Now, I guess if he was really mad, he could smash the window. But then he's going to get blood all over his hand, and it's just not as easy as opening the door handle. And he goes to reach for it, and it takes him a second to realize, damn, I messed with a Tesla.
Yeah, it just completely nullifies his motions.
Yeah, and then he just drives away. Now, I guess, he could have drove away initially. Or is it at a stoplight? I don't really know. But the point is, the retractable handle defeated the road rager in this case, which is pretty cool. You're going to want that feature in the future. If you went through this ordeal, somebody tried to attack you and open your... Now, many cars, for the record, many cars are going to lock themselves by default when you start driving. So even if the guy could crank the handle, it's not going to open. You're not going to unlock it. But this is even a one-up on that because there's nothing for him to even grab. It's very embarrassing. He's so mad, but he can't even grab anything, as you see in the clip. It's very frustrating.
Yeah.